During Ghazwa Khaybar, there was blood with anger in the eyes of the famous wrestler Marhab. Marhab put a stone carved helmet on his head. He wore armor on the top of the armor. He came out of the fort with holding two swords and three-pronged spear. He came to fight reading these rajas, that is, heroical verses to encourage the companions and to impress the opponents. قد علمت خیبرا انی مرحبا شاہ کی صلاحی باطل مجربا. People of Khaybar know I am Marhab, who is brave, experienced, active and wearing weapons. When Hazrat Ali heard these rajas, he stepped forward, reading these rajas, that is, Anallazi samatni ummi haidara, zarghamun ijamun walaysun qaswara. I am the one whose mother named him Haidar. I am Asad, who is powerful and brave. Ablu Zara'ini Alizul Qasira. Kalaysin Ghabatin Qara al Muzhira, whose wrists are strong and neck is thick, as looks the tiger of the jungle. Azribukum zarban yubinul fakira wa atrukul qarna baqa'i jazira. I'll give you a blow that will break the joints and will leave the opponents to be the food of the beast. Azribu bi sayfi jamul kafira zarba ghulamin madin harwara. I'll wield the sword like an honorable young man on the rows of the infidels. Ab tulukum bi sayfi kailas sandara. I'll kill you on a large scale. When Marhab started wielding the sword, then Hazrat Ali wielded his sword in such a way that cutting the head of Marhab into two pieces, it went down to the waist. Hazrat Ali also sent 8 other famous Jewish chiefs to hell. It is one of the narration that Hazrat Ali jerked the door shutter and it fell down. Then this door was placed on the trench and Lashkar-e-Islam used this door as a bridge and reached Khaybar fort.